There are many mini chainsaw products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best mini chainsaws from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Electric Power Chainsaw. Rating 4.4. His mini chainsaw Cordless is equipped with an improved battery indicator, which allows you to monitor the battery level at any time after starting. The tool-less removal knob can be unscrewed directly by hand, eliminating the need for a pipe wrench and making it easier to use. Compared with cumbersome and heavy traditional tools, it is a very right choice. His mini battery chainsaw is equipped with 2 rechargeable 21V lithium batteries, run up to 20 to 30 minutes, over current, over temperature, over voltage protection, and 2 to 3 hours fast charging. Equipped with safety lock and safety cover. You need to hold the safety lock and trigger at the same time to start the saw and prevent accidental start and prevent wood splash. Number 4. TTI Mini Chainsaw. Rating 4.5. Easy to handle and work like a champ, every homeowner needs it. The mini chainsaw Cordless is equipped with auto chain lubrication system. Just pour oil, General Motor oil, into the tank. Then you can freely lubricate the chain. Reduce wear and tear for smoother cutting. Due to the handheld mini chainsaw's slim body and mini size, it's comfortable to hold. No fatigue even after prolonged use. Seniors and women friendly. Security lock prevents accidental activation. The security lock and start button need to be pressed simultaneously for the chainsaw to start. Safety baffles to prevent the wood from splashing. Equipped with anti-cut gloves that protect your hands. Equipped with an anti-slip texture handle, making you grip the mini chainsaw tightly. Equipped with goggles to protect your eyes from sawdust. Safety comes. Number 3. Pink Cordless Electric Chainsaw. Rating 4.6. Designs with slim bodies make it easy to work anywhere, even in narrow spaces. Also, it is very suitable for women and the elderly to use one hand, and not easy to fatigue for a long time. Provides your tool with longer run time, more torque, and more power, which leads to less wear and tear, extending the lifetime of the mini chainsaw. Timidic Pink Mini Chainsaw can use for deforestation, pruning, gardening, carpentry, etc. It is the perfect gift for mom, friends, dear, women who like to do woodworking or gardening work. Number 2. Electric Mini Chainsaw. Rating 4.8. We collected feedback from thousands of buyers and created this upgraded 6-inch mini chainsaw based on user needs and suggestions from top designers. Longer working time, stronger power, and smoother chain operation all greatly improve the cutting efficiency and prolong the service life of the mini chainsaw. Despite its small size and light weight, small chainsaws are just as powerful and efficient as larger chainsaws. Despite the small size of the suitcase, all accessories can be stored perfectly. It can be used for tree pruning, garden art and shrub pruning in everyday household, as well as forest cutting, timber harvesting, and other activities in large work. Gardens, farms, parks, forests, pastures, orchards, indoors, and other places. Number 1. Portable Handheld Chainsaw. Rating 4.9. This chainsaw is engineered for people busy with gardens, farms, or projects. This chainsaw trims branches or vines, clears bushland, and cuts wood, bamboo, or poly pipes. This mini chainsaw enables fast and easy assembly in 1 minute, requiring no screwdriver. Our PE material carrying case makes it easy for you to store our mini chainsaw effortlessly. The chain is made of 65 mm steel with high strength, hardness, elasticity, and wear resistance, while the deep quenching process further enhances its performance to ensure clean and smooth cuts. This mini chainsaw has double 21V 2000 mAh lithium batteries, giving double running time. One single battery powers the electric chainsaw for 40 minutes. Extend the working time outdoors by changing the battery when it's going to be idle for a long time. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.